Oh, that makes me so mad. No.
I'm going to go to the other side, okay?
Oh, it's okay.
Stay patient. I'll take your epidural out, okay? And I apologize ahead of time because my case isn't the greatest. So that's okay.
That's okay.
I know, it really does hurt though. I know. It's not very fun. Sorry.
Oh, it really is bad.
What?
It really is bad. I'm like, oh, after that, I can handle anything. You can do it fast if you want.
Sorry, I'm so sorry. At least part of it's on my fourth.
Okay.